Here's Chance playing and exploring in the basement. And there's Destiny and Kismet fighting, of course. Come on, guys. Hi, Kismet. Let's go see what the others are doing here. There's little Fate. Say hi. Hi, Karma. Come here. Come on, Karma. Hi, Fate. See, very sweet. Very sweet. Likes to give her belly to be rubbed. And there's little Fate. Hi, Fate. Yeah. She's a lap cat. She prefers to sit in my lap. Karma prefers to have her head rubbed and her belly rubbed. There's Chance. She also talks a little bit to me when I'm not giving her what she wants. She gives me little meows. She's a really good mama. Hey, Fate. Destiny. Say, I hope I get a good home. Somebody who'll love me. Because I'm so sweet. So sweet. Oh, yes, so sweet. Okay, say bye-bye for now. Whoop. Say bye-bye.